Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to change a Ford Escape headlight bulb. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch. You will need a few basic tools such as a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and some work gloves. Once you have your tools ready, open the hood of your Escape and let's get started. Now let's access that bulb. First, locate the back of the headlight assembly. You will likely see a round rubber cap or dust cover. Gently peel this off. Next, you need to disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb. Simply press the small release tab and pull the connector straight off. Finally, grasp the base of the old bulb, twist it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and carefully pull it out of the housing. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Remember, always handle the new bulb by its plastic base. Never touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can cause premature failure. Carefully insert the new bulb into the headlight socket, aligning the tabs. Twist it about 1/4 turn clockwise until it feels secure. Then, firmly push the electrical connector back onto the bulb until you hear a distinct click, ensuring a solid connection. Almost done. Now, replace the rubber cap or dust cover over the back of the headlight assembly, making sure it forms a tight seal to protect against moisture and dirt. Close your vehicle's hood. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. For optimal visibility and consistent light, it is often recommended to replace both headlight bulbs at the same time, even if only one has failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.